Yo, what is up everybody? Make Money Boss here, back with another video. Now, imagine if you can earn money by just typing. All you gotta do is find a simple and comfy place, turn on your laptops, and start typing. That's all you gotta do to earn money online. And today, I'm gonna show you the right way you can be earning online by typing. It is that simple. And to do this, you do not need any additional experiences rather than just typing. And believe me, typing is pretty simple and most people can do that. And in this video, I will also be showing you some bonus tips where you will be able to earn a lot more than usual. So let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna do is go on a website called ratatype.com. So what we're gonna do on ratatype.com is basically just get our typing certificate. And remember, getting a typing certificate will be very important part of our job to get the job basically. And don't worry, if you type very slow, that's also fine. You will still get a job. Don't worry, it's so easy. So to get a typing test and get your certificate, simply click their Start Typing Now button. Once you hit that button, simply you will get a test saying type me to find out how many words per minute you can type. So we're just going to type that. And we get a consistent 89 words per minute. Your score might be a lot better. So let's say you want to improve your typing speed. You can simply click their improve typing speed button and click sign up with Google. Then once you sign up with Google, you will be redirected to your homepage. Now right here, I have already gotten my typing certificate and I've gotten 69 words per minute. So what you're gonna do to get your own certificate is simply click on here. You're gonna get create your own certificate button and then click start exam. So I already did that, but let's do it again. Let's click improve your score and then be prepared. So click start typing now. But before you do start, what I would suggest is open Notepad and simply just practice that there for a couple of minutes. And once you're finally ready, close Notepad and start the exam. That's what we're gonna do right now. And we are done. We got our typing exam again, and it was 61 words per minute. Now, once you do that, all you gotta do is just click go back to home, your profile right here, and you will simply have your certificate. Then when you get your certificate, you will have your certificate as a photo and even proof. You're just gonna simply save the photo because we will need it later for sure. Now, let's say you have not a decent amount of typing speed, but you still want to improve, all you can do is click on their home again, and you will be taken to an exercise page which will then help you increase your typing speed even more. It's a very effective way to increase your typing speed, and I would highly suggest checking it out. It's really awesome. Now, let's get into making the money. What we're gonna do next is go on a website called rev.com. So on rev.com, what you can basically do is convert audio and video to text, basically typing. So you can see we have a few jobs we can do. First one being is transcription. So the transcription job is basically listening to an audio and then converting it into text. You basically listen to the sound that is being played, the text, I mean the human speaking, and you just type that down. You can easily take your time no matter how long you need. And another job you can do is basically captions. You basically write captions for a video. So what you can get paid is $1.25 per minute for transcription. For caption, you can also get $1.25 per minute. Another special thing you can do to get paid even more is do foreign subtitles. Let's say you speak another language. Well, you can get paid even more, around $3 to $7 per minute. That is an insane amount of money per minute. You can be making hundreds of dollars per hour then. If you know another language, then I would highly suggest checking out the foreign subtitles. You can see if we scroll down, they have a lot of clients, being CBS, Amazon, Microsoft, and so much more. And if we scroll down, Rev is a very simple website. You can do a lot of jobs on this website for typing. If we scroll down, you can see that Rev has a simple Android and iOS app, so you do not need to work from your desktop. You can also do work directly from your phone. It is that awesome. So when you are ready to earn, simply click their Become a Freelancer button, and then you will be redirected to this page saying Rev Freelance jobs that let you work from anywhere. When you're here, simply click that button and just type your name. So let's type my name here and then write your email and then choose your position. Now this is where it gets tricky. So I would highly suggest choosing transcriptionist since that is the most easy job. And basically, if you're a captioner, that is a very hard job. So I would just keep it as transcriptionist. And then on country, select your own country. I'm going to choose United States. And then you can click next. But before we do, let's go ahead and review this website. You can see you can create a flexible work schedule, choose from hundreds of jobs, or even get paid weekly. That's the best part about this website. You can easily get paid weekly using PayPal. Now, if you scroll down, there's an option for foreign language too, just in case you know that. So the way you will be able to earn money from this website is number one, you will be taking a quiz that demonstrates your English language and grammar skills. And then the next thing you're going to do is submit a transcription or caption sample, which gets reviewed by their team to make sure it meets customer quality expectation. And once you're approved, you will be able to earn right away. It is that simple. Rev is a very amazing site when you just want to earn money by just typing. Now time for the bonus part, another website named Transcribeme.com. It is also another website just like Rev.com. And all you gotta do to sign up on their website is just click their login button. But before we do that, let's go ahead and check this website out too. Let's go under services, transcription, and then you can see there are so many jobs. So you can see it depends on their accuracy. If you have a very nice typing speed or a very nice accuracy, you can be applied for the verbatim, which you will be able to earn $2 per minute. But if you have a 99% accuracy, you can basically sign up for the standard and you will be getting paid $1.25 per minute. But let's say you have below 98% accuracy, then you will be able to earn $79.79 per minute. It is that simple, and the rates are quite similar to Rev.com. Now, to sign up on their website, all you also have to do is simply click their login, crowd login, and simply sign up from here. That's all you have to do to sign up on transcribeme.com. Okay, if you found this video helpful, like this video, I would really appreciate it. Also, make sure to subscribe if you want more videos like this. And comment down below if you have any questions, and I will see you on the next video. Bye bye.